Good morning and welcome back. So I thought these guys were gonna fledge this morning, and it's still early, but I totally miscounted how many chicks are in there. I'm seeing three right now. I'm seeing the first one with the eyes and beak, and then right next you can see the tail of another, and then the beak of another. Autofocus is not my friend here. But let's see if I can step up on this really suspect wood pile and get up in here. Oh. And there it is. There it is. All right. Did not mean to do that, but there we go. Phoebes are fledging. There's one. Not quite sure where the others went, but yeah, I'm gonna go make sure that the cat's inside, and I'm sure the parent Phoebe will come back for those guys. Right on. Sometimes all they need is a little nudge. But now that that nest is empty, let's just peek inside there, see how it looks. Pretty solid. Oops. That sounded like a little Phoebe chick. Alright, we gotta go find that other. I think one flew over here, but I'm gonna go make sure those are all in safe places. Like that, that's a good one. But anyways, maybe I shouldn't have gotten so close. Anyways, have a great rest of your day.